Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Okay, former President Buhari has come out to praise Tinubu. He said he's doing really well. Like, do you think he's deceiving himself or deceiving Nigerians?
Buhari is deceiving himself by, telling lies. You understand, to Nigerians, and it's too obvious to we Nigerians, all of us, that Tinubu is not doing well. So when something like this happens, you know the level Buhari had, gone in the past to destroy Nigeria as a country. It is too obvious that Nigerians are dying of hunger now, and the Tinubu's predecessor is trying to convince us that all is well. I think it's a shameful thing that Buhari, after destroying Nigerian nation, has come back to join his successor Tinubu to do more harms. I think, understand. No, who is deceiving him? He's deceiving himself. All his kinsmen in Daura know that all is not well with Nigeria. The whole southwest, mid-belt, the whole core north, the whole southeast, everybody knows that all is not well with Nigeria. So I think Buhari is supposed to bury his face in shame. I think, understand. I don't know why. He shouldn't come out in a public function and make that kind of nonsensical statement, unless he would say something like that in the north. I don't think he said something like that in the southern Nigeria, because they would stone him to death. Buhari is not being sincere with himself, and Tinubu himself is dancing a dance of shame. Tinubu doesn't know what he's doing. Tinubu has failed woefully. Just beginning, 9 months, he started begging and asking for forgiveness. The right thing for Tinubu to have said to Buhari to have said to Tinubu is to resign, because in the previous time, we all knew that Tinubu tendered apology, saying he's very sorry for what Nigerians are going through. And he himself, an idiot, I think he tendered apologies some time ago, saying that he's sorry for what Nigerians went through. They are animals. See, that's why, as you see me, I'm a Christian. I don't trust other religious sects. I can only have the infantry to trust a proven Christian. Tested and proven, I can do that. But see, these Muslims, they don't have conscience. Look at what an elderly man like Buhari is saying, lying to himself and lying to Nigerians. He is just a shameful man. I mean Buhari.
And lastly, FG threatens to revoke a license of electricity distribution companies over power supply. What can you say to that?
He is involved now. The ESCOs and DISCOs, Tinubu is part of them. The head of federal government of Nigeria is Tinubu. So the DISCOs and DESCOs, the owners of Ikeja electricity, the owners, island, everywhere electricity in Nigeria, that's how it stretches across the country. They are the past and present leaders. Obasanjo is there, Jonathan is there, Tinubu is there, even Buhari must be one of them. So these men, they are, in fact, the witches and wizards we are talking about in our society. They are a Nigerian problem. They are enemy of Nigeria. All of them, they are the owner of this electricity something, DISCOs and DESCOs. People that are managing the current NEPA in Nigeria. National Electricity Power Authority. Past president serving one, past governors serving one, the ministers, all of them, they bought stakes in it. They all have stake in NEPA. I think you understand. So if federal government is trying to revoke their licenses and those, he is involved. So it's something that they should do among themselves. I don't have any pain over that, and I don't have trust that even if they revoke their licenses, we are going to have 24 hours, power supply. So it's good. There should be a check-up sort of in among themselves. I think understand. So it's a good idea. They should do it. It has nothing to do with common man. They are the one beating the drum. They are the one dancing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.